Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about this Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys like it and stay tuned. Today I will be using my BH Cosmetics Rose Gold brush set, and the first brush that I'm using is their fluffy blending brush, and I will be taking this pink shade from my Morphe 35B palette. Next, I'll be going in my Zulu palette, and I'm taking that darker pink, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. defining eye brush, and I'm just deepening the crease. Next, I'll be going back in my 35B palette from Morphe, and I'll be taking that darker pink, and now I'm using the flat shader brush. And I'm just going back and forth with the e.l.f. defining eye brush just to blend out that harsh line. And now I'm cutting my crease. I'm using Makeup Revolution in C1, which is like white, and I'm using that to like cut my crease. And I also did the Kiki Adams brush, the glue brush method, where I flattened my brush just to get a sharp cut crease. And now I'm using a fluffy brush just to take away the product. And now I'm going back with e.l.f. defining brush, and I'm trying to blend out the end of my cut crease. Because this is a half cut crease, so I'm just applying more shadows just to blend everything out. And now I'm going back in my 35B palette, and I know you can't see that shade, but it's like a pink sparkly shade. It's really pretty, so I thought why not apply that. And I used my angle shading brush, and now I'm going in with another shimmer shade that was right underneath it, and I'm using their flat shader brush. And now I went in my Zulu palette, and I took that pink shimmer shade, and that's what I'm applying. And now I'm going in my BH Cosmetics Neutral Colors palette, and I kind of just use the same flat shader brush to apply the shimmers. And now I'm going in with Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Caramel, or maybe Warm Sand, and I apply that on my face. And I use just a bit of Milani, because I thought the foundation was just a bit too light. And now I'm using my Morphe 432 brush, and I'm applying C12 and C13 together. I mixed it. And now I'm applying Ebony from Blackopal to contour. You guys already know what I do with this part, so I'm not gonna say nothing. And now I'm going in with Laura Mercier and Topaz, and I'm kind of pressing the setting powder into my skin. And now it's time to bake. And now I'm going in my Anastasia bronzer in the color mahogany. I don't know what's wrong with me. And now I'm going in my 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm taking that blue shade and I'm putting that under my eyes just to get a little pop of color. Yes, I did my liner and my lashes off camera. And I'm taking some glitter, and this is from Cake Your Face, I think, on Instagram. And I'm just applying that right on top of the blue. Ooh, I love it. And now I'm taking my MAC in Dark Deep face powder, and I'm just applying foundation face powder on. And now I'm going in with my Morphe highlighter in Spark. And now I'm going in MK, my lip pencil in the color Dark Purple, and Anastasia's liquid lipstick in the color Catnip. And now I'm applying Supernatural from Revlon, just to give me a little shimmer. And now I'm taking NYX setting spray, and I'm setting my face. I hope you guys like this look, because I really like it. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.